This was my face before, and this is my face now, as you can see. Who told you it is only a fair skin type that can get burnt under the sun? Ami? Precious. Who told you that? Now, bring your chair closer and listen very well. Be you a dark skin, a chocolate skin, a caramel skin, a light skin type, you can actually get burnt when you stay too long under the sun without protecting your skin. Hey my loves, welcome back to the channel. It's Edith Francis. If today's your first time of coming across this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button. If you found this video interesting at the long run, do well to leave a comment in the comment section if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to turn on your bell notification so you can get notified when next we upload an interesting video like this. Today I'm going to be showing you how I was able to clear my sunburn. Before I show you ways I cleared my sunburn, okay, there are ways one can have sunburn. So you should have this knowledge so you can prevent having sunburn. Number one way you can have sunburn is by hereditary. Yes, sunburns are hereditary. If your mom have it or your sisters have it and you're also having it, you can get it by hereditary. And most at times, this sunburn by hereditary are not always very, very dark. You just see a slight darker shade of their face under their eyes or around this area. Okay, and that is where I fall. Now, the next way you can get sunburn is staying too long under the sun. Yes, staying too long under the sun can actually make you have sunburn. The third way you can have sunburn is using of actives in the daytime. You are not aware that you're not to make use of your actives in the daytime. You have to use it only at night. Now, I know some of you are not aware. Auntie Precious, I know you are not aware. I know, don't worry. That's why I'm here for you. Why don't use your actives in the daytime? You have to use it at night. Using it in the daytime can actually make you prone to sunburn. The fourth way you could have sunburn is using lightening products in the daytime. Using of lightening products. I hope you know there's a huge difference between lightening products and brightening products. These are two different things, okay? Now, using of lightening products in the daytime can actually make you get burnt because lightening products are very, very active, okay? And it can make you prone to sunburn. That is why you are always advised to use your lightening products at night. Another way you can actually get sunburn is not understanding your skin type. Yes. Now I'm going to explain. When you don't understand your skin type and you just jump on any product, okay, it could make you prone to sunburn. And I was once in that class, okay, when my sunburn became this worse. Okay, I have sunburn by hereditary, but my sunburn became worse due to not knowing my skin type. I didn't know my skin type, so I was using a lot of things. I was using a lot of Format A. I was using a lot of Caro White. I was those Caro White gang. Yes, and it damaged my skin. It made me got burnt severely by the sun. But I'm going to be showing you now how I was able to get rid of the sunburn. The first product I used was Bismid. I would have brought that container, but I think I misplaced it. This is Bismid. It either comes in this or this. This is the 5 days and this is the 3 days. Okay, both are very, very active. Okay, I use this Bismid product at night. It helped me combat with my sunburn. So if you have sunburn, you can as well make use of Bismid product to get rid of your sunburn. Now, another product that I also made use was Beauty Formula Brightening Eye Gel. Yes, this product is another product that I made use of that helped me battle my sunburn. Now, another product I made use of was my aloe vera gel. Yeah, aloe vera gel is one product that I also made use of to combat with my sunburn. Though I've exhausted this one, I'm going to restock very soon. Okay, these three products are the products I use to combat with my sunburn. Now you might be wondering, how was I able to make use of these three products together? Now listen and listen very, very attentively. When using your Bismid product, you are not to use your Bismid product in the daytime. I repeat, you are not to make use of your Bismid product in the daytime. And don't forget to always wash your face before making use of your product. Okay, now bismuth product is to be used at night and at night alone. Now, before I make use of my bismuth product, I apply aloe vera gel on my face. I make sure I massage it into my skin properly. Make sure it is blended, absorbed, and dried into my skin. Take note, dried into my skin. Now, once the aloe vera gel gets dried into my skin, then I go in with my bismuth product and go to bed that way. You are not to wash out your bismuth product. You're only to wash it out in the morning. Ami, are you listening? Good. Now, in the morning, I go in with my this eye gel, my beauty formulas brightening eye gel, vitamin C, okay, energy reviving. This. Now, this product is not only just going to brighten your under eyes or your dark place, it's going to also give you a young under eye. Yes, it's going to help your under eye to be young. All right. Now, I always go in with this in the morning. All right, in the morning. Now, probably if you go out, maybe you went out under the sun and you come back, you take your bath. Before you take your bath, when you're coming from the hot sun, don't just jump into the bathroom. Allow the heat calm down. Yes, I know some of you might be like, I'm feeling hot, and you jump into the bathroom. It is not advisable, okay? When you do that, you notice when you're out of the bathroom, you start feeling excessively heat, okay? Excessively hot. That's because you didn't allow your body calm down before going to add water. It's just like a hot stone, and you carry your normal water and pour on it. You start seeing smoke coming out because I don't know how to explain that, you know. So you allow the heat calm down, you go to the bathroom, you take your bath, then you go in with this, or you go in with your aloe vera gel. Now, this is to be applied 2 times daily, morning and night. Okay, morning and night. But since you are going in with your bismuth, you apply this alone in the morning and use your bismuth at night, or you apply it in the morning and you apply it in the evening time or whenever you're back from work. Okay, you go in with this. Now, this was how I was able to use these 3 products. Now, one thing you should always know is, even in as much as you are making use of this product, make sure your sunburn area is always moisturized. Because another thing that could make you have sunburn is when your skin is not moisturized. Or one thing that could make your sunburn not to heal properly is when your skin is not moisturized. So make sure, in as much as you're treating your sunburn, make sure you are moisturizing your skin very, very well. Not with a greasy product, with a moisturizing product that is not greasy. Okay, if you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, hit on the bell notification so you can always get notified when next we drop interesting videos like these. Now, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Have you had sunburn before? How were you able to treat your sunburn? Or are you currently battling sunburn and you don't know what to do? Leave a comment in the comment section. Share this video and I will see you again. Bye-bye.